So right now it's like 6 a.m. in the morning. Today I'm going to the waterfalls of Ouzoud, which is outside of Marrakesh. I hate getting up early, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's like a 2.5 hour drive outside of Marrakesh. So good. As you can see today, I've got the Black Panther Warrior King t-shirt on. Because you know, legit the waterfall place looks like, you know, the entrance of Wakanda. So I was like, it's only fitting if I wear the Black Panther t-shirt. I'm out. Just got off the bus and the place we're supposed to. So this place is called Ouzoud, and we're going this way down here to get towards the waterfalls. There's a tour guide right there, the one in blue. Alright, so I just met this guy. He's a really kind guy. What's your name?
My name is Masi. I'm from Sweden.
So I met this absolute legend right here, really good guy. He's like, I spotted your babe shorts from far away, and I was like, okay. So he's like, you're a hype beast. I was like, just a little bit. He's like, you've got Jordans on and everything.
Masi, from Sweden.
From Sweden.
Almost Sweden, where Zlatan Ibrahimovic is born.
For Zlatan, innit?
Yeah.
That's the one, brother.
And Sweden, I love Sweden.
Yeah.
They kicked out Germany yesterday.
Yes, exactly, bro. Germany's gone. Germany's gone. Thank you, Sweden. Thank you, Sweden.
You know the YouTube John Ulsson from Sweden?
He's gigantic, man. He's from Sweden.
What's John Ulsson? Because he's done different things.
This way, please.
What, like the 12 degrees, 10?
Like around 12, 10, yeah.
Really high. Oh my god.
That's freeze dry.
Well, the camera does not do it justice at half high. This is. The camera is picking it up, but there's a rainbow on the other side of where the waterfalls are. Let me get a better angle so you can see it. So right now the waterfalls is absolutely mesmerizing, waterfalls of Ouzoud. So obviously I got the Black Panther t-shirt on, and it just looks like Wakanda. I'm not even joking. You know the entrance of Wakanda in the movie? That's exactly what it looks like. So that's why I've got the Black Panther t-shirt on. Legit from there all the way across to there. It's just like so mesmerizing and so beautiful. You wouldn't believe your eyes once you see it. We spent way too long with the monkeys. I think we've lost the group now.
Yeah. Lost in the jungle.
Yeah, we lost
Send
it.
help.
Exactly, send help. So right now we're on this kind of like boat thing against the waterfalls, and it's like a boat ride for like 20 dirhams at the moment. And as you can see, I'm right at the front, getting the best view right now.
Dubai shit, Dubai whips, different place, different chips.
So here is Lahm Tajin, right in front of the waterfalls.